Can I use one AirPod without the case?
Hello, and welcome to our latest video where we answer your questions about Apple's popular AirPods. One question we get a lot is, can I use one AirPod without the case? The simple answer is yes, you can. Let's dive into how this works.
How does Single AirPod use work?
An important feature of AirPods is their ability to work independently. This means you can use only one AirPod at a time while the other stays in the case. This feature can be handy in many situations, like when you need to keep one ear free to hear ambient sound or when the battery of one AirPod is low. To use one AirPod without the case, simply remove it from the case, place it in your ear, and it will connect automatically to your device, just like when you use both.
Does using one AirPod affect battery life?
Using one AirPod does not significantly affect the battery life of the individual AirPod. However, the case's battery life may slightly improve since it only has to charge one AirPod. When you use one AirPod, the other one will remain in the charging case, therefore staying fully charged.
Can I switch between AirPods?
Yes, you can. If you started listening with one AirPod and it runs out of battery, you can put it back in the case and start using the other one. This way, you can essentially double the listening time.
What about the microphone?
Don't worry about the microphone. Whether you're using one AirPod or two, the microphone will work just fine. AirPods have built-in microphones in both the left and right AirPods, so you can continue your calls or voice commands without interruption. To wrap up, using one AirPod without the case is not only possible but also quite practical in many situations. It can extend your listening time, allow you to stay aware of your surroundings, and keep your hands free for other tasks. We hope this guide has been helpful in answering your question. Enjoy your AirPods, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.